Hi, you forgot your car key.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Next time, please be very careful.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Can you join us?
I can't. I'm sorry.
I actually insist. Just for a drink, okay? It's my way of saying thank you.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
I insist. Come on, just a drink. And thanks for this. Please.
You'll be doing great today, really.
Thank you. Would you believe those guys asked me to come and chill with them?
Now, wow. And you came here.
We can't do that now. This is work.
So if it's not work, you would have chilled with them.
Well, maybe.
Adora, you are done for the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have right to chill wherever you want to chill. Come on, chill with them. You know, say, Asian they go. Waiting there could be ringing soon. This is your workshop. You chop where you work. Go chill, Joe.
Why are you still cleaning by this time? Sorry. Hurry up now, you're telling me sorry.
Good evening, sir.
What was that nonsense you tried to pull off last night?
What are you talking about,
You are asking me questions? You think this is a breeding ground for prostitution?
Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to...
You didn't mean to frolic and throw yourself at the customers, right?
No, sir. He's my friend.
And so you wanted to show us that you know how to catch big fish and chill with the big boys?
No, sir. Sir, I am...
Adora, you are still giving me excuses. That's the annoying part of this thing.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
You're
please,
sorry?
Please, I'm sorry.
You see, it's obvious that you are bigger than this place now.
No.
Oh, yes, yes, you are bigger than this job. You knew the rules and you violated them. Adora, you are hereby relieved of your duties
Sir,
with immediate effect.
Sir, please, I'm begging you, please. Sir, please, I'm so sorry.
You should have thought of that before throwing yourself cheaply at the customers.
Sir, please.
You better leave this place before I call the security to throw you out. You know me.
Yes, sir, but I'm begging.
Security! Security! I'm even calling security. They are wasting time. You're looking at me. Don't do your job. Don't do your job. If you like, when you see them, go and give them lap dance. Okay, hurry up.
see who gets tired. Jojo, what are you doing here?
Mommy brought me.
Mommy brought you. Where is she?
She has gone.
Jojo, gone to where?
I don't know. She said that I should not bother calling her.
Jojo, where did she go?
I don't know, but she said I'll be staying with you.
No, now you can't stay here now. She can't just dump you here and disappear now. No.
Sister, where will I go if you don't want me to stay with you?
I don't know, but Mommy has no right to bring here without telling me. What am I going to do with you now?
I don't think she's coming back.
Why did you say that?
Because she packed her things and left with one uncle.
Which uncle? The one with the bald head?
No, it's the new one. He speaks French.
Guess we're stuck with each other now. Mommy. She just abandoned her in my house and disappeared. I mean, what if I wasn't in town or something bad had happened to her? All my life, she's always thought about herself. Not once has she even thought about us. It's always one man to the other.
What are you going to do now?
I don't know. I don't even know how I'm going to bring up a child on my own. And I've not finished figuring out my life.
Okay, here's what I think. You can move here, stay with me until you can figure something out. There are lots of opportunities here and it's less stressful.
No, Sade, I just can't move. Lagos is my home.
But don't you think home is where you feel safe and loved?
I don't want to be a burden.
You're my best friend. There's no way I'm letting you suffer in Lagos alone. You know what? I'll send you money and you move to Abuja before your landlord gets the chance to throw you out, and that is final.
Okay.
Don't worry, baby. Everything will be alright.
God,
I can't believe you're actually here.
me too. It's been like ages.
I miss you so much, bestie.
Same here.
Hi, Jojo. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so I'm Sade.
Auntie Sade.
Nice to meet you, Auntie Sade.
Nice to meet you too, darling. Finally. Oh, I'm sure you guys are tired.
I'm
12
tired.
hours on the road,
Very
bad
tired.
roads that we have. You know what?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We'll take you from here. Bestie, you're looking good.
I'm very tired.
I know. See your hair, sir. Express. Oh, don't worry. It's hard. Good to see you guys. I don't believe this.
Well, I didn't believe myself either when I left the hotel in the morning.
How come you didn't tell me?
I just told you.
Oh, after how long?
It's still breaking news now, isn't it?
It's breaking now, isn't it? Oh, finally, my girl is blooming.
Okay, there's nothing blooming about one night stands, please.
Oh, really? Come on, Faye, you've always just been modest. Anyways, I am just excited you stepped out of your comfort zone. You did it.
So, tell me about you. What's up?
Babes, we're going to stay here all night. If I am to tell you about my escapades in this Abuja.
Well, good thing I currently have all the time in the world. So
Really?
Spill. I'm
Apropos,
listening.
you want to hear everything. Alright, so where do I start from? There's this guy. Don't give me that look.
Shade. You look like you're about to drop dead.
See, I prefer when that woman is out of the country. The only thing left for me to do for her is to wipe her. You get? God, I'm happy, no her life support.
She's paying you good money to do that.
This Abuja, 450k is barely good enough for the things I do for this woman.
Okay, cool. Of course, I'm desperate for that kind of job.
Oh yeah. That reminds me of the good news that I have for you.
Good news?
So, my boss's clients, I heard them talking about him needing a nurse. Like, he knows of a woman that needs a nurse to take care of a sick person, but really rich. And I told him I have the right person for the job.
I don't understand, but I am not a nurse.
Jojo, darling, can you excuse us? Your aunties need to talk.
Okay.
You good? Ada, you're nurse enough for this.
I dropped out of nursing school.
So what? We were there for like 3 years. I feel like you have the knowledge to handle this.
It's not the same thing.
How is it not the same thing? Okay, see, babes. Bestie, honestly, you're one of the most brilliant persons I know.
Shade, brilliance doesn't make you a certified nurse.
You know what? They just need someone to take care of their sick loved one. Okay. And me, I know you're equipped for it. Shit, you know what we'll do? We just get a resume off the internet, we embellish it. I doubt they will even check.
Wait, you're asking me to commit fraud?
Kilon Shele now is telling you to commit fraud. I'm telling you to take a chance that is right in front of you.
I'm not going to lie to get a job I'm not qualified for.
Ada, you've come on. See, can I tell you something? In this life, the people that make it the most are the ones that take the most risks.
Risk that will land them in jail?
Do I want you to go to jail or prison? Babes, now, you and I know that you really need this job more than anyone right now.
I'll find something else. Okay.
Okay, you know what? I know you can be stubborn, but can you, just because of me, because of us, all of us, just do this, please. And if it doesn't work, we let it go, but trust me, this is good money.
Shade, no.
Yeah, I'm tired though. Let's go out.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Take a look at this. You have been working for 2 years, I see.
Yes, ma, I have.
Have you had the privilege of being a private caregiver to anyone?
Well, I single-handedly took up my mother before she passed. She died of cancer.
Oh, I'm so sorry for your loss.
It's fine, thank you, ma.
The patient has C8 spinal cord injury. The reason I want all-around care for him at every point in time, I want 24/7 care. I want someone who will be available for 24 hours a day. I don't know if you can do that.
24. Yes, ma. Yes, I can.
Okay, that's good. So you would live in then?
Like, live here?
Live here, yes. Is that going to be a problem? Well, if it will be a problem, I understand.
No, ma, it's fine. It's okay.
You came highly recommended, so you have the job.
Thank you so much, ma.
Okay, so I start you off on a 200,000 naira salary. But as we go on, I could give you a raise seeing that you're good at your job.
What?
Is it too small?
200? No, that's okay. That's just perfect.
So we're good then?
Yes, ma. Of course.
Amazing.
Thank you.
You came highly recommended, as I said earlier, so...
Thank you so much, ma.
Start on Monday?
Of course. Monday.
One more thing. His accident is recent, 2 months ago. He's been finding it difficult accepting his condition, so you might need to be a little more patient with him.
Yes, ma, that's fine.
Great.
And I'm so sorry about your son.
It's a hard blow, but what can we do? You should get to meet him, right? Follow me.
Yeah, sure.
So his room is down here. Okay, so here we are. Obi, this is your new caregiver. Her name is Adora. Can you at least say hello? She'll be starting work on Monday. Let's go.
He's the one.
He's the one. I don't understand.
The guy in the wheelchair. He's the one I slept with.
No, can you just slow down, because I really don't understand what you're talking about. I don't get it.
The guy I am supposed to take care of. He's the one I slept with. The one I stand guy.
You sure? Babes, you slept with OGBONNA.
Is that his name? How do you know him?
The tech, rich guy. Everybody knows OGBONNA.
Am I supposed to know every guy roaming around Lagos?
He was all over the news when he had the accident.
All over the news?
You know what, let me show you this. Come, see. Go. OGBONNA, the tech rich guy, survives a ghastly motor accident in Asokoro Axis of Abuja. Can you see this?
May 11th.
Yeah.
That was the day I left his hotel.
He had the accident on his way back home from the airport. Says, oh, you know what? See this. OGBONNA, the rich tech guy, survives a ghastly motor accident airlifted to Princeton Memorial. How come you don't know him?
How did he survive this accident?
I don't know.
I can't go back.
Why not?
He's married.
Excuse me, you slept with him for like just one time.
I cannot go back.
Oh. Wait. Ada, that means you got the job.
Yes. And I'm supposed to start on Monday, but I won't go back.
You won't? Auntie, you are.
I'm not going back. It's not worth it. It's just going to be awkward.
Ada. So what are you going to do?
I don't know. I guess the apple doesn't fall far from the tree after all.
Don't do that. You're not your mother. This is a mistake.
It's not like I just fell pregnant. I had sex.
Yeah. But okay, you know what? Look on the bright side, yeah? You are pregnant for a rich tech guy. Hey, you just hit the jackpot.
The only thing I have hit, Shade, is rock bottom.
You know what? Ada, you know, I'll be with you all through this, even if you want to get rid of it.
I would never do that.
Sorry, I just had to put it out there in case. But you know what? Think about it. This can be random coincidences. The meet, the accident, the job, now the pregnancy. This could be the universe way of telling you or pointing you to your destiny. And babes, a baby needs its father.
Jojo, I want to talk to you.
Okay.
I got a job. And this job means I won't be around for a while.
Are we moving again?
No. You are staying here with Auntie Shade. But I won't be living here for some time. But I'll always come and see you all the time.
I don't want you to go away.
I don't want to go either. But I have to make some money for us. So we don't have to suffer as much.
Can I come and visit you sometimes?
I'll ask my boss about that.
Okay, then I'll miss you.
I'm going to miss you too.
Are you having a baby?
What?
I heard you and Auntie Shade talking about it.
Okay, no more lies. Yes, I'm having a baby.
I love the baby so much.
I know.
I love you, Sister Adora.
I love you too, my smallie.
Welcome. Come.
Thank you.
So let me take you to your room. Welcome.
Thank you.
This way. Welcome, ma. Welcome, ma. You didn't tell us you are coming today.
Well, I'm back now.
Yes, ma.
Good morning, ma.
And you are?
I'm the new nurse.
Oh.
Yes.
Yabo?
Ma?
See that my bags are brought upstairs.
Okay. Oh, that's my Oga's wife. Let me take it to your room. But let me tell you something. You see, anything you need in this house, just let me know. I know everything that's going on in this house. So if you have any question,
Thank
and
you.
please, Be careful with our girl. Because as you see and so, he don't start 10 months since he come back from hospital. Let's go.
Thanks for the heads up.
Hey, come. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Hope you had a good night. Okay, so how about we start with the bath?
Don't touch me. Get out.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you.
Then get out.
Come on in now.
How are you? I'll take it from here.
I don't need you too, Mom. I want to be left alone.
Please excuse us. Every child needs their mom. You know that.
Oh, this child doesn't need his mother. I'm okay.
What do you want then?
I want my life back, Mom.
And you think I wouldn't give it back to you if I could? I can't. Obi, this is your reality now. It is what it is. You need to learn to embrace it. The sooner you do, then healing will commence.
I want to be left alone. Just leave me alone.
Oh, baby, good. Just come.
Mom, get out!
Do not talk to me like that. If you ever speak to me in that manner, I will whack your mouth. Obi, I know this is difficult for you. It is difficult for me too. But you just need to let us help you, please. Please. I'm going to unbutton your shirt so I take it off and we get to clean you up, okay? Please. Can I pull this back? You haven't even gone to see him since you came back.
I have been settling in. And besides, he doesn't need me for anything. He has a caregiver.
He has what? Did you listen to yourself? It's your husband we're talking about here. He needs love.
You think love will bring Obinna back? All your son needs is a good medical care. And that is what we're giving to him.
Why is it difficult? Why is it difficult to care for your husband? He needs you. Take care of your husband instead of gallivanting the whole world, putting our business on social media.
Mother, I can see you will not be satisfied until I play the doting, miserable housewife. But guess what? I have a life. And I'm going out. I have a meeting.
I brought you food.
Drop it on my lap and leave.
Can you just let me help you?
I believe you're not deaf. Be careful. Take the cover out. Take it out and get out.
Are you trying to get rid of another nurse? How will you get better if you don't allow your medical team help you?
From the way I see things, from where I sit, I am never going to work again. Or is there any miracle you want to perform, Dr. Ayo?
Look, that is the prognosis, okay? Let us help you get back in shape so you can live a better life.
And it's so easy for you to stand here and tell me about prognosis and living a better life. What do you know about it? What do you know about it? You can't even get my hands to work properly and you stand here and tell me about living a better life. Look, just focus on your work if you're even any good at it.
Let's just...
I'm not interested with that today. You can take a day off, or 2, or even a whole week off. Just leave. I said just leave.
Hi.
My dear wife. So you finally found your way back to the house. Has your money finished?
Obinna. I can see you're still as cranky as hell. I'll be back when you're much approachable.
Oga don't start again, Abby. You don't throw away food.
Has it always been like this?
My sister. No. As you see and so, that man was a jolly good fellow until devil come trick head for a matter. Devil trick head for a matter so the man pursue all his friends come out. And as you see, that your wife, you know they help matter out. She was never around. And so she could fly all over the country like wish. Thank God that she's even around now.
What does she do?
Hey, jam question, Lily, you. If you ask me, who will I ask now? But Shao, I think she's real housewife of Abuja. Make we cook, make we shop now. So finish, make we do some more, make we shop.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, are you okay? Do you need anything? Sir, do you by any chance?
Can't you read the room? Or are you just plain dumb?
I am not dumb.
Get out.
You know, if you just try to be nice for a second, it won't kill you. You're very rude for my liking.
No one cares about your feelings, just get out.
You are sleeping on duty. Oga dey there, he never bath, he never chop.
What time is it?
Oh, can't you see it's late already?
I must have slept off.
Before, Uncle. You've been doing a lot of that lately.
Okay, I'll be right out.
Are they here?
What happened? Let me help you.
Leave me alone! I can help myself.
How? Please, let me just help you.
Leave me alone as I can help myself. Don't you understand?
Thank God. Please, let's help lift him up.
Since you want to help me, you can try. Lift me up a bit. Easy.
Hi everyone. I've been getting so much messages concerning my husband's health. He had a minor accident today in the house. And thank God I was there with him. But he's getting better now. Thank you so much for the concern.
Ma, your tea. Your tea.
Hey you. You're early.
Yeah, as always. Okay. So, are you ready?
You work out, don't you?
Yeah?
I see. I think you should include personal trainer in your resume. I have a lot of friends who want to train with you, myself included.
Thank you, and I will consider it.
Okay.
Okay. Is there something else you want?
Oh no. Please go ahead.
Okay. Right away. Okay, so let's start with some basic. You don't have to leave. I think you should stay and watch this so you could, do it when I'm not around. All right. So let's do some basic stretches.
Hey Siri. Please read out the news for Horizon Company today.
Okay, I found this on the web for please read out the news for Horizon Company today. Check it out.
Hey Siri. Please call my mom.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call Sweet Mom, Other?
Yes.
Calling Sweet Mom, Other? Hello, Obi. How are you?
Mom, how am I? Mom, I am reading the news and I am seeing my company shares dipping. What's going on?
You should stay off the news, son.
Mom, don't tell me to stay off the news, okay? I cannot sit down here and watch my company going down. For Christ's sake, I gave you the company as acting CEO. What's happening, Mom?
Listen, I stepped out of a meeting to take this call, so I'm going to go back in now. And we will talk about this like civilized grown-ups once I get back in a couple of days. Okay?
Mom? I take it you're going out on one of your party nights again, right? You can't just stay home.
I can't go out.
Bianca, you go out way too much for a married woman.
I didn't know I was supposed to take permission from you.
Yes, maybe you should take permission from me. Okay? Since you're out there throwing yourself and whoring with my friends, the least you can do is take permission from your husband before going out.
Go to hell, Obinna.
Well, I'm already in hell. Don't you see yourself in the mirror? You look like the devil.
You know what? I'm done with your tantrums. All of it.
Did I ever tell you to stay?
You're selfish, Obinna. So selfish. What do you expect me to do? Walk around this house looking as miserable and as lonely as you are? You chased all your friends. All of them. And what? I should lock myself up and cry all day?
Bianca, I never begged you to stay in this marriage or in this house. And don't you ever lay your hands on me again, okay? That's domestic violence.
Ah! Now he's being ungrateful. I left everything. Everything just to come here and be with you. And what? You've been callous.
You left everything to be with me. You stand here and you say that you left everything to be with me. Did you?
I'm done.
You're done. You're just realizing that you're done right now. Bianca, you should have been done a long time ago. What are you still doing in this marriage? What are you still doing in this relationship? Look, I would advise you, if you would even take my humble advice, pack your things and leave. Leave now, leave this night. Instead of you sitting down here and acting and pretending like you love and care about me when we both know that you do not care about me. All you care about is your selfish self. This marriage has been a sham from day one. Go and play with your birds. Don't hit me again.
Your food, sir.
I'm not interested in eating your food. Just leave.
So you need to eat because you have to take your medications.
I said I don't want to eat. Leave.
No, you have to eat.
There's something wrong with you.
Maybe.
Get out of my room now.
Or what? You scream down the house or insult me? Just let me do my job, please.
You will not have a job to do in the next minute if you're still here. Get out of my room now.
You cannot fire me because you did not hire me. I'm not afraid of you.
What are you doing?
Eating. Since you don't want the food. You don't scare me. Although I don't understand your predicament.
Oh, you understand my predicament?
Yes, I do. I mean, I might not have lost my mobility, but I know what it feels like to lose everything. All my life, I have been on my back.
Look, I don't care about your sub story. Just get out of my room with your food.
You're the one sobbing and throwing tantrums, not me. I'm merely trying to help.
Okay, look. I am beginning to lose my patience with you. Now leave.
You know, if you continue like this, you're going to end up a lonely, bitter, crippled man.
Get out of my room, you psycho.
Adora. The name is Adora.
But I don't care about your name. I don't care about anything that concerns you. Now get out of my room.
You know, I vividly remember that you carried at the nightclub. And the hotel afterwards. On the 10th of May. Do you remember? Besides, you never mentioned you were married. If you're hungry and ready to eat, let me know.
What is it? Adora? Adora? Hey Siri, call Ayo. Adora? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
He finished his food. What did you do?
Nothing.
But you stayed too long. I can't begin the one that's everything they happen. If not that Ogas, it's not working again. I will be suspecting you.
Please.
But I was even thinking Oga will give you trouble now that Madam has gone again.
When?
This night, so that woman, you know they stay one place. Hey, what's happen? Oh, wow, Oga no even. Sorry,
Good morning. Okay, I'm so sorry about last night. I didn't mean to be rude.
What do you want this time? If you came to blackmail me, there's no point.
Blackmail? No. This is just a coincidence. Look, I just came to work and get paid, I promise. I googled you, you know. And I'm so sorry about what happened to you. I mean, this is not the life you had. But you can just let go. You can still get better. I mean, there are many people out there just living like you and...
Look, just do your job, okay? Please.
So how do you feel about leaving this room today?
Hey, don't push it.
Adora. The name is Adora.
So tell me, do you know Oga before?
What do you mean?
I mean, have you met Oga before?
No. Why'd you ask?
You are good. You don't manage make and eat. Come make and come down from your room. Hey, if not beside I know Oga well, I thought say maybe you get nude.
Chef Yabo.
Make I no talk with you at the sea again. Now you be the only nurse who don't stay past 4 days for this house.
I'm just doing my job now.
Hey, does madam know you are pregnant?
What?
I mean, the madam of this house. Does she know you are pregnant?
I'm not pregnant.
Oh, you can't hide it. Eventually, we'll see it.
I said I'm not pregnant. Mind your business.
Oh yeah, open your clothes. You can use inner eye this year. To deceive yourself. You might be putting that baby at risk by all this oga you are carrying up and down, lifting and carry heavyweight champion. No go keep us in picking. Oh, do your body. Don't back. I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
Hello? Out where? Is she okay? Okay, I'm coming now.
Babes,
How far?
we have an emergency trip to Lagos.
No, what am I going to do now?
I ran out of options myself. But don't worry, I'll be back tomorrow evening and pick her up by then, okay?
Your boy already thinks I'm pregnant, eh? If I take a child in, she'll just...
Yabo? Who is Yabo?
The chef.
How is that any of our business?
I don't know. She never minds her business.
You know what? Ada, just keep your head low. Avoid her. Keep Jojo out of sight. You'll be fine. I have to go now. I'm meeting up with my boss in a while.
Shade, bye.
Thank you.
Safe flight, okay? Call me when you land.
I will, darling.
Just wait for me.
Sister Dora, are we okay now?
Reduce your voice.
Are we okay now?
Yes, we are. But you have to stay in this room at all times, okay? You can't come out.
Okay.
My bosses will fire me if they find out you're here.
What does it mean to fire someone?
I'll lose my job.
Okay. I guess I'll stay here then.
Good girl. Are you hungry? Yes? Yes?
Hey, did you go out?
No, I mean, yes, I went to get a recharge card.
Hey, were you talking to someone?
Yes, I was making a call.
Hey, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, you know me, I'm just checking. Bye.
Thank you. Alfredo Bina, how are you?
Obina, thank you for agreeing to see me.
Is everything okay?
I'm sure you're aware of the hit the company has taken since your accident.
Obviously.
Your mother is doing her best as the acting CEO. The board, however, is no longer comfortable with that arrangement. They are planning to vote you out as the chairman and CEO.
They're trying to vote me out of my own company?
Yes, I know. That is why I thought I should give you a heads up.
When are they meeting?
In 2 months, after the African Tech Summit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the least I can do. I'll be on my way now.
It is my company.
And it's our job to protect the interest of the shareholders and the company. The shares are dipping. The company is going under. And we have given you time to recuperate due to the respect. But it is time to move this company to the next level.
Look, listen, okay? The company cannot stand without me. I built this company.
Exactly. You are no longer here. You are not physically and mentally stable to move this company forward. And your mother is not doing much of a good job. She might be an economist, but she doesn't know enough to run a tech company.
I will not let this happen. Are you hearing me? I will not let this happen, okay?
It's been decided. Have a good day, Mr. Obinna.
So your dinner is served. Would you like it served in the dining instead? Mr. Obinna, are you asleep? So, oh my God, what have you done? Mr. Obinna! Mr. Obinna, wake up! Oh my God! Shit. What have you done?
What happened?
I'm so sorry, Ma. I didn't know.
I do not pay you to be sorry. I pay you to make sure that things like this never happen.
I'm very sorry.
I should fire you. Where is he?
The doctors are with him.
Where?
There.
Move!
Are you done with the soup?
Almost.
You've been washing the whole day.
Sorry, Ma.
You all know what happened, don't you? I don't want to hear a word of what happened in this house today outside the four walls of this compound. Because if I do, I will fire all of you. Do you understand me?
Yes, Ma.
Not a word. I will sack you. I'm not even joking. Go back to your duty posts. Ini, finish this ironing and do something else, please.
Okay, Ma.
Yes, ma. He has been rushed to the hospital. No, it happens this afternoon after one man came visiting. I heard them talking about company, board of directors, and yes, ma. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Who are you?
My daughter's sister.
I know that girl is up to something. How long have you been here?
I just came this afternoon.
So what are you looking for? Ma, good evening, ma.
Who are you? I'm Ojoma, but they call me Jojo.
Is she your...
No, no. She said she's Adora's sister, the nurse. She sneaked her in without anybody's permission. I just saw her wandering around the house.
I wasn't wandering. I'm thirsty. I needed water and maybe a little food, please.
There's no food though.
It's okay. Give her something to eat.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Please don't fire my sister.
Why would I do that?
Because I'm not allowed to be here.
As long as your sister works here, you're free to come around, okay?
Thank you, Ma.
Please get her something to eat.
Yes,
Some
Ma.
juice. Good. And some juice, okay?
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome. Go and sit down somewhere. I'll bring you something for you.
Save him, please. Save my son.
I came as soon as I heard.
I was lucky to have found him on time.
So he's going to be okay?
Yes. The doctors are optimistic.
That's good. I'm sorry you had to see this.
Thank you. I should have known.
Come on, don't do that, okay? Don't blame yourself. This is not your fault.
It's my fault. I'm a fraud.
Look, Adora, don't go down that rabbit hole, okay? It's not pleasant down there.
I know I shouldn't. It's just, you won't understand.
11% of spinal cord patients commit suicide. I've lost patients to suicide myself. And once you blame yourself for one, you never stop. It's going to be okay, all right?
Alpha, I've been trying to call you. How's your flight?
I landed safely. Did your boss try to commit suicide?
What? How did you hear that?
His wife is on Sugar TV. Check their Instagram page.
Let me call you back.
My husband has been through a lot. You know, from losing his mobility, to being pushed out of his own company. So,
I'm sorry, hold. Can we backtrack? Did I hear you say he was fired from the horizon? Was he fired from the horizon?
I can't comment on that.
But you just said he was pushed out of his company.
I can't comment on that. Okay, I love my husband so much. And I'm going to stand up to do anything possible to put my family together. Anyways, I'm launching a new skin line.
You're awake. You're awake. I'll come back. Oh my God. How are you feeling?
Why didn't you let me die?
Why would you want to end your life?
Is this life?
It could be if you give it a chance.
This is not how to live.
So you would rather die?
But I should be dead already. This should be a mortuary, not a hospital.
Well, I'm sorry. You're still here.
My life ended the very moment that car hit the red light and T-boned into me. Right now, there's nothing to fight for. I'm just a piece of meat. Frozen meat. I can't even wipe my ass myself. You do that for me, don't you? I just live my life watching people move on, achieving goals, living their dream. This right here is miserable. And I'd rather die than live a miserable life.
So you would rather flee than fight? You know, when I read about you, you didn't come off as a runner. A coward.
When you heard about me, I used to walk. I don't anymore. Besides, it's the first time for everything.
Mr. Obinna, you can still live your full life. I mean, many people with your condition, they still live better lives. There's a guy on Instagram that does practically everything. Surfing, gaming, traveling, a lot of other things. He even made an Olympic team. You can still live your best life, Mr. Obinna.
My best life? best life is far gone.
You have to leave.
Why do you even care if I leave or die?
Because I'm pregnant with your child.
How?
The 9th of...
You mean I'm gonna be a father?
Yes. And the child needs a father.
Hello, Mr. Obina. It's Alfred. I'm sorry for calling you. The board has moved the voting forward to this afternoon by 2 p.m.
Why would they do that?
Your attempted suicide and your wife's interview accusing the board made it worse.
Sorry, what interview?
The one your wife made. It's all over social media. I just thought I should keep you updated.
Alright, thank you. Thank you very much, Alfred. Look, I don't take your support for granted, okay? I really appreciate this. Alright, bye. Get this off my ear. What interview are they talking about?
She did an interview yesterday.
And how come nobody told me?
How could we? You just woke up.
My mother promised me that she would handle this. She lied to me! She lied to me! It's all her fault!
Mr. Obina, you need to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down! If the board votes me out, it's all over. Don't you understand? 10 years. 10 years of building that company. 10 years of trying to get out from under my father's shadow. All wasted. 10 years of sleepless nights.
Then do not let them vote you out.
How?
You built this company from the scratch, right? You have to remind them that you're the CEO. Why they need you.
How do I do that? From the hospital bed? How?
Your competitors, board of directors, they're worried about your stability to lead, right? But you did not build this company with your legs. You did with your brain, which is still very much intact. And that's why you need to change the narrative.
Okay. You're right. We need to brainstorm.
We?
Yes, we, you and I need to brainstorm, okay? My hands don't work well, so get to it. And my phone, get my phone.
So why did you start the company?
Well, to create apps and technologies that would help better people's lives.
Why don't you create something that could help people in this time and age? An app, perhaps?
That's actually a brilliant thing, but I haven't developed an app in years.
That's because you haven't had any reason to save your company in years.
An app.
Why don't you create something that could help people with spinal cord injury? You know, I heard that 250,000 to 500,000 people suffer from spinal cord injury every year. Don't you think the number is high enough to deserve help?
That's brilliant. You're a genius. Get me out of this bed.
You haven't been discharged yet.
Get me out of this bed, okay? I need to go save my company.
No.
Hey, you work for me, right? Okay, so get me out of this bed. I trust you. If anything happens to me, you will take care of it. Get me out of this bed. Now, get me out of the bed!
Now, what is your take on this? I'm following my money and the investment. I didn't fly all the way from Kano and to go back without resolution. So,
I think it's primarily about protecting our interests.
Yeah. Well, that is it.
Okay?
Yeah. We really have to take a decision today.
We've actually waited and we've been patient for a while. And we can't allow this company to die. So, we'll be voting. Mr. Tajuddin? Do you agree?
Okay.
I'm in.
Great. If we're going, we're going. So.
We didn't expect to see you here today.
It is my company. I can come and go as I choose. Now, most of you here knew my late father, the renowned businessman, the industrialist, the philanthropist. Before he died 10 years ago, and when he died, I was just a 22-year-old man trying to find his mark in life. And I was thrown into a role I was groomed for. But none of you believed that I could handle it. None of you believed I would fit into the shoes.
Obviously.
None of you believed I would live up to my father's reputation. And you are right.
Of course, of course.
You're right, because my father's shoes was too big for me to fit into. It was a shoe my little feet could not fit into. So I had to create my own shoes. And by creating my own shoes, I had to sell my father's group of companies and invest in tech. But then again, you all believed I would fail. You believed that the company will fizzle out in just about no time. But all of you were wrong. Because the company grew from strength to strength. In the past 10 years, it only became stronger. That is this same company that some of you are trying to steal right under my nose.
No one is trying to steal your company. It was obvious that you were incapable of handling it, right?
Yeah.
You think I am incapable? You think I'm not fit to run my own company? Well, I might have lost my mobility. Yes, my legs don't work anymore, but my brain does. I am still a businessman. I am still a mastermind. I am still my father's son. And you all know me. I will fight. I would fight each and every one of you. I would fight with everything in me to keep my company. I would fight anyone who tries to steal my company from me.
Well done.
Yeah, please.
Are we good?
Glad to have you back. Sure.
Fantastic.
Our decision was for the betterment of the company, so just to move it forward. It's good to have you back.
Good to have you back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. It's good to have you back.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I was supposed to say something about the pregnancy, right?
I know, it's fine. You've been busy.
No, I should have said something. I want the baby.
You do?
Yes. You see, Bianca and Bianca, she wasn't really ready for pregnancy. And within the whole time, I had the accident.
I'm so sorry about all of it, sir.
There's nothing to be sorry about. Look, I'll talk to my mother immediately and have her get a new nurse.
Oh no, sir, that won't mean her firing me. I really need this job.
No. Look, you don't have to work for it.
I do not want handouts from you, sir. I can do my job.
Okay. Hey, Mom.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning. How are you? Well, someone looks so much better today.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, son.
I'll come back later.
That's fine. Wow. I'm happy to see that you're better. I'm even happier to know that you got back your company. Congratulations.
Thank you.
However, I am not happy that you had to abscond from the hospital.
Okay, yes, Mom, you're right. I shouldn't have. But a man has to do what a man has to do. And Mom, I'm very sorry for being so hard on you. I know you have my best interest at heart.
Always. Always.
Thank you.
Have you spoken to your wife?
Do I have a wife?
OGBONNA.
I never knew I had a wife. By the way, Mom, she's pregnant.
Bianca is pregnant?
I know. Not Bianca. Adora.
Oh, okay. Adora is pregnant.
Yes. And she's carrying my baby.
Adora is pregnant and it's yours.
Yes, Mom.
What are you talking about?
I know what you're thinking. It's nothing like that. It's all just a mere coincidence.
How do you even know that? Young girls of these days, they always want to reap where they didn't sow.
I'm not Adora. Adora is not like that. She's different.
OGBONNA, explain this to me, please. I don't understand it at all.
Okay.
She's pregnant for you. How?
Okay, Mom. You know, Immaculate Conception.
Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry. Okay, Mom. Look, I met her a day before the accident.
And you had unprotected sex?
Hey, Mom. It was the same thing you did to give birth to me.
I was married to your father.
Oh, well.
Now she's pregnant.
For me.
Are you sure it's yours?
Okay. Yeah, she's pregnant and she's carrying my baby. Yeah.
Are you being serious?
Oh, Mom. She's pregnant for me.
Well done, Mom.
My son told me. How far gone are you?
"11 weeks.
And it's his? You're sure?
Yes, I am.
Because if you're not telling the truth, I will make you regret this for the rest of your life.
I promise you, Ma, it's his.
You knew you were pregnant all this while and you were being careless? Lifting him as heavy as he is? I'm relieving you of your duties until the child is born.
No, Ma, please, I really need this job. I have to take care of my
paid.
Thank you so much, Ma, for your generosity, but I am not a charity case.
Can we at least get a second help to help you in the lifting, if nothing else?
That's fine, Ma. Thank you.
You know we're going to do a DNA test on this child when it eventually comes. And you're open to it.
Yes, I am.
I know you're young and you want
much more out of life. My family has been through so much lately. Can you please tell me the truth? Is this my son's?
Yes, ma. It's Mr. Obinna's. We're going to be okay, baby. Good morning, mister. Rise and shine. So how do you feel today? Well, it's a good day to be alive and we're going to see the sun today. Let me help you. Okay. I think this is a great spot. What do you think?
Looks like a great spot.
Mr. Obinna, what do you think?
I don't care.
All right, we're all set.
So, are you ready, comrade?
Well, I didn't ask for any of this.
Well, if you have a problem with that, you have to talk to the judge. She's in charge. So, guys, I will be rushing off.
Oh, no, you have to stay. We're doing this together.
Well, I would love to stay, but I have some patience, so maybe if I finish up on time, I'll come back. I catch you soon, okay?
Alrighty.
Have fun.
So, did you bring me out here to bore me?
No. We're going to have fun.
Yeah, what's your idea of fun?
Talk.
So talking is your idea of fun?
Yes, if we're getting to know each other.
So, what do you want to talk about?
Okay, I don't mean to pry, but how come your wife is barely ever here?
You said you don't mean to pry, but you are. You're prying.
I'm sorry, I was just trying to...
I was pulling your legs. Well, I think she just can handle me being paralyzed.
Wow. So sorry about that.
I don't blame her totally, you know. She didn't bargain for this kind of life. Plus, I wasn't really the best of husbands before the accident.
Yeah, right.
No, not that. I saw your eyes. I wasn't the cheating husband. You were actually my first since I got married. Yeah. First and only. I was married to my work. Worked a lot. Worked too much to the point that she felt neglected. We had our fair share of fights and I tried to fix some of the issues, but it was too late already.
You know, if I knew you were married, I wouldn't have slept with you.
Let's just say we had some miscommunication.
Anyway, my friend thinks that me finding you again is by some sort of divine design.
What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, everything leading up to this moment does feel surreal. Me meeting you, spending the night with you, which I have never done in my life. losing my job, moving here, and finding you again. It does feel a little orchestrated.
Destiny?
Yeah.
Can I have my small chops now?
Yes. Thank you for coming to the hospital with me.
Yeah.
It really means a lot.
Thanks for letting me come with you.
I hope you don't mind having lunch at the house.
Well, I'll be excited to know where you live.
I'm coming. Oh, hi. We finally met. Yeah, come in. I've heard so much about you.
Yes, I have heard so much about you too. You must be Shade.
Of course.
Yeah, nice to meet you. And you, my beautiful angel, you must be Jojo, right?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I've heard so much about you. What is it? Oh no, don't touch that, okay? It's not a toy. No!
Are you okay?
Stop!
Jojo!
Just like a car.
No, it's not a car.
Don't mind, I'm so sorry. Jojo, apologize now.
Sorry. Can I play with you?
Jojo?
It's okay. Don't worry, I can handle it. Trust me. Okay? It's okay, I got it. I have it. Okay? I will just turn it off here. And we're all safe. So, how was school?
It was fine.
Fine? Do you want to tell me about it? Okay, so tell me about school. I'm sure you have something interesting about school. Tell me.
He seems like a good man.
And he's going to make a great dad.
Oh, and he's going to make a great dad.
Hey, she's quite an interesting person. Thank you.
I'm sure you had fun, didn't you?
Nah, I didn't.
Except Jojo, you did. You had fun with Jojo. I saw you laugh for the first time.
Oh yeah, I did. I actually had lots of fun, thank you.
I'm glad you did.
So I was gonna ask you, how did you manage to take care of her this much?
My mother abandoned her at my doorstep a couple of months ago. And we haven't heard from her since then.
That's really sad.
It's okay. We're used to her disappearing.
And your dad?
I never met him. We have different fathers.
Wetin you give am?
Excuse me?
No even excuse me. No pretend o. Wetin you give Oga chop? Because I see picture of your unborn pikin inside im pocket. Ngwanu, are you no Adora Nweke abi Adora Nwokonko? No even deny am. Because the dry cleaner gave it to me. You went to the hospital with him 2 days ago. True or false?
I didn't give him anything.
I knew it. I knew that this girl has plan.
So Oga mistress now he come as come dey pretend as nurse. Ah! Madam don't fuck up. Oh, Kai! How this woman can't take the water wey soap dey enter her eye now? Kasele tolorun wa o, Oga madam. Ah! Ayele o. Nurse, mistress speaking. Hello ma. Good. Sorry ma. Good morning ma. Ah, madam, there's fire on the. Sorry ma. No, what I'm saying is, you need to take the next available flight and start coming to Nigeria.
What are you doing today?
Why'd you ask?
I want to take you somewhere.
Okay. I'm free.
Okay.
There's something I'd like to tell you.
Please, what is it?
I'm not really
Hey, baby. I'm home.
Good morning, ma.
Bianca, what are you doing here?
Are you not happy to see me, husband? Anyways, I'm back now.
Bianca, what are you doing here?
I can come home to my house again.
I didn't know that you still regard this as your home. Besides, we haven't spoken since you left.
I've been busy. And besides, I was angry at you. But you're forgiven.
Yet you had time to grant an interview that almost ruined me.
Oh, I was just trying to help.
No, Bianca, you are not trying to help. You enjoy feeding off the sensationalism of events and ranking public support from your gullible fans.
Baby, but you fixed everything. I was only giving you the push you needed. It worked out, didn't it? Anyways, I'm here now, so I'm gonna fix us. I'll fix everything. Okay? So just cheer up. Just cheer up. You see? I look good in you.
What a devil.
Good morning, ma.
Adora.
Yes, ma.
You've been very great with my husband. Any secrets you want to share with a grateful wife?
I'm just humbly doing my job, ma.
Thank you very much, and I appreciate it.
You don't have to thank me. I'm just doing the job I've been paid to do.
See? Well, I'm back now, and I won't be needing so much help with my husband. So I want you to pack your bags and leave.
You've been silent.
I don't have anything to say.
Adora, you always have something to say.
Well, not today.
Is it about Bianca? You know, if it's about her, you have nothing to worry about.
She's your wife.
Not for too long.
You're going to divorce her?
It's inevitable. Yeah, you were going to say something to me in the morning. What was it?
It's about my job. I am not a...
Hey, baby. Thank you, Adora. Let's get from here.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I am trying to help, husband.
Bianca, what do you want?
Obinna, I'm sincerely trying to help.
Very funny.
Fine. Since I'm back now, I don't think we'll be needing more than one nurse.
So, you're back? I mean, what happened to your skincare products in the UK? Are you not going back to handle it?
Well, my team will be taking care of that, so I'm back here now for you. And besides, that Adora girl, I suspect she's pregnant, so it's not safe for her to tend to you.
Okay, look, I don't need you bothering about my medical care. I'm a medical staff, okay? Stay out of it.
Baby, but you need...
I said stay out of it.
Ma, your water.
Are they always that close?
Yes, so they're always like that.
Yeah.
Ma, your water.
Just take it away.
So.
Anissa Premier. Hello, good mother. Good morning. I have a favor to ask of you. Yes.
Bianca, I didn't think you were still married to my son, since you abandoned your marital duties and relocated to the UK. I was surprised to see you here when I got back.
I'm here now, mother. Adora, I heard you worked at Nisa Premier Hospital before you took a job here.
Yes, I did.
So why did you leave?
I got this job.
Oh. Well, my godmother is the CMD of that hospital. And I asked. They have no record of any Adora Wekwe in their system. At least not in the last 2 years.
There must be a mix-up somewhere. I mean, I used my first name, Obioma. Adora is my middle name.
Oh. I checked that too. And I made some contacts in the Lagos Nursing School. You didn't graduate with the 2017 set. And that brings me to the question of who are you and what are you doing here?
Is this true?
Mom,
I was not talking to you. She can speak for herself.
I am so sorry, Ma.
What? You lied? I saw your certificate. It was forged? So you have been putting my son's life at risk? Wait, is the baby even his?
What? You had an affair with her? You brought your mistress to my home? I am activating the infidelity clause in our prenup.
Bianca, you walked out of this marriage.
I never walked out. I traveled. And I'm entitled to 20 million naira for every year we were married. And ₦1 million naira for your lying, cheating ass.
I owe you nothing.
And are you saying the baby's not yours?
Well, there is no proof that I had an affair with her, neither is there a proof that the baby is mine. As far as I am concerned, she just works here.
I don't care. Because all I...
Shut up, Bianca. Just shut up.
Are you satisfied?
Well, you guys were the one that employed her. I only tried to uncover it.
Well, maybe if you had stayed home and taken care of your home, all this wouldn't be happening.
I didn't know what I was thinking.
But it's because you believed he cared about you as much as you cared about him.
I lied. He's a married man, Shade. He's a married man. I wanted to tell him the truth. I just didn't find the right time.
Adam, I'm really so sorry. Like, I feel like this is all my fault. I shouldn't have pressured you into doing this, and I'm really sorry. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. I should have told him the truth. I did it because I had to. I should have told him the truth.
You know what? Be sad all you want, but this night, but listen to me, babes. Babes. Tomorrow, we forget all about him and would never speak about him ever again. Baby, I'm sorry, Shade.
I'm sorry. I think I'm about to fall in love with him.
Save for you.
Sir, your food is here. Sir, your food is here. Sir, your food is here.
Get out.
Let me stretch this a bit. Okay. All right. Okay. Right. And again. And again. All right. You know you could call her, right?
She lied to me. She lied to my mother. I mean, for all I care, she could have even lied about the baby.
Come on, Obina. But you lied to her too. You didn't tell her that you were married. And she didn't hold that against you now, did she?
You're right.
You think that she's a bad person?
No.
Do you care about her?
Yes, I do.
Then you know what to do.
Oh, are you still sulking? It's been over a week. And I already said I was sorry for leaving and for granting the interview. But I'm here now and I'm going nowhere. So guess what? We're throwing a party. Just like old times. I'm inviting all your friends and it's going to be very colorful. What do you think?
I needed to leave. Today. If possible, this very second. Haven't you noticed that this marriage has been over way before now?
What?
Besides, the baby is mine.
You had an affair with her?
Bianca, I needed to leave.
Obina, I am going nowhere. Okay? Not because you're stuck up on some low-life girl you will get over with in no time.
No, I won't.
You're not even sure the baby's yours.
Well, whether or not the baby is mine or not, I will take care of that child like it's mine. I would love and care for that child. Bianca, I want a divorce.
You would hear from my lawyers.
No, I won't. Open it. Does the lady in the picture look familiar to you? Well, let me help you. Her name is Bianca. It's you. That picture was taken a week before my accident. A week before I physically, psychologically and mentally detached myself from you. Bianca, you'll be hearing from my lawyers. Shut up. You should leave now. Adora, the house hasn't been the same since you left. I haven't been the same since you left.
I'm sorry for everything. For lying. I had no excuse. But you have to know that I had no bad intentions.
I should be the one apologizing. I disrespected you. And I'm truly sorry for it. Like I should have defended you. Because I know you. I know you more than they do. Adora, in all honesty, you are far a better person than I am. In every way. You saved me. You changed me. You made me a better person, Adora. And I'm very grateful for all of this. The certificates, they don't matter. I don't care about them. And I know this might sound selfish, but I want you back. I truly, desperately want you back. Please.
Obinna, I forgive you. But I can't come back.
Why?
Because you are married.
No. The marriage is over. Yes.
Well, if it counts, I was in nursing school for 3 years. I just didn't finish.
I don't care. You look as pretty as the first day I saw you.
Thank you.
And even with the baby I deposited in your womb, I guess it makes you look prettier.
Thank you. You know, I have thought about the intricacies of...
Look, I understand.
No. Listen. I have thought about the intricacies and I I love this version of you I've come to know. And I would love to keep knowing this version of you. I'll rather be with you, Obinna, than wonder what it will be like to be with you. And I am not one to wonder, so yeah.
Well done.
Well done to you. Thank you.
Can I go?
Please. I didn't say she would break my leg.